Okay, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to add a basic movement command. You do this by going down here on the green tab and then dragging Move Tank onto here. Move Tank means that you control each wheel's rotation separately and through the power. So we're going to set it to move for 2 rotations, and we're going to make sure that the power of both of the motors is the same. You can increase it if you'd like, for example here, to go to 100% power. Make sure that you have it on for rotations and that you tell it to brake at the end. The next step will be to do a turn. So we're going to drag in another Move Tank block. However, this time we're going to make it so that the power for the left and for the right are different. For now, we're just going to make one the negative of the other so the robot should turn in place. We'll have it do this for about half of a rotation. The next step will be for it to go forward until it sees a sensor input. The way you do this is you tell it to go forward for an unlimited amount of time by changing it from this button to on. On, not on for seconds. This will make it continue on with this power until you tell it to do otherwise. Next, we're going to go to the flow control, the orange tab, and add in a wait block. We're going to click on time and change it to the ultrasonic sensor. If you're using another sensor, here's where you would select it. We'll do compare and the distance in centimeters. The default settings of less than 50 centimeters seem like a good value, so we'll keep it there for now. Finally, we'll add in another move block and tell it to stop. This will make it so that once it is detected a distance less than 50 centimeters, the robot will stop. When you're doing this, make sure that the motor values that you have for the ports are the same as those you have plugged into the brick. Otherwise, your robot will not move in the pattern you've expected. Make sure that you also do this for the ultrasonic sensor. If you're using a different sensor, make sure to be using the correct weight block setting in order to do so.